Applications are getting smaller, but connectors are being asked to do more. Connectors need to reach a higher power and provide flexibility in modular, hybrid solutions. TE Connectivity's heavy-duty connectors get the job done. Our HDC solutions provide clear benefits. TE's new HDC dynamic solution provides higher reliability with dynamic contacts. 3-point contact, offering good anti-vibration capability. Available for automated crimping process. High density, with 6 modules providing up to 288 positions. Flexibility in modular solutions. Get power, data, and signal transmission in one connector. One-piece frames allow for tool-less assembly. Rated up to 1000 volts and 200 amps. Customization for your unique needs. Every connection counts. TE's HDC solution ensures reliable performance, fast and low-cost assembly, and maximum machine modularity. See how at te.com/HDC.